Hey, what's going on? You know who it is. It is Bruce Jordan, the MJ of hotels. And today we're going to be talking about why employees are not applying for your job post.
It was prophesied that another Jordan will be born who will be greater than Michael Jordan, but he won't be the MJ of basketball. He will be the MJ of hotels.
Prophecy fulfilled. Listen, some of these job postings I've seen are ridiculous. All right, I mean, I was comparing these two job posts, and one was for a position as the president of the United States, and the other one was a position for a front desk position at a hotel. And honestly, I thought I had a better chance of getting the job as the president of the United States than I did as getting the job as a front desk agent at this hotel. The way this job post was just listed, it made no sense whatsoever. It was just overkill. So here are a couple of simple things you could do to make your job listing more appealing, so that people actually can apply and feel that they can actually do the job. Okay, number one, condense it. Don't list every single detail that you need about that job. List what you need as far as it comes to performance, personality, and a little bit of skill set, because you're going to have some people that they never did any type of work in hospitality. They may be interested in the position, but since you got all of this stuff inside this listing, they're gonna feel like there's no way I can do this job. And the job is like for housekeeping or laundry or front desk or server or something very, very simple. Keep it simple, stupid. KISS, KISS. Keep it simple, stupid. The next thing you need to do is list what's in it for the employee. All right, it's a lot of times it's not just about the money. Okay, employees can go work anywhere. They do not have to work in hospitality. They can work anywhere. So you need to focus more about what's in it for the employee and less about every single detail you need to get done at this particular job. So, first thing, of course, is the benefits. Time off, sick days, vacation days, any other additional benefits that may not be included. You know, employee parking, free meals, free lunches, free employee lunches, anything that you could put inside of there to let that employee know this is where it's going to be. This is where it is at, and you want to work here. We have everything here for you. College tuition reimbursement, daycare supplement, whatever the case may be, you need to put it inside that job description. And the most important thing is that you may need to change up your benefits a little bit. A lot of hotels, they're still a little old school when it comes to benefits. You know, you're gonna have to change up the benefits a little bit. If you're paying once a month, you may have to break down to once a week or every 2 weeks. A lot of employees, when they see that you pay every week, they're definitely going to apply for your job because they're tired of the job that pays them every 2 weeks. If you pay every day, they're definitely going to apply for the job because they're tired of the job that pays them every week. Okay, things are going a little crazy right now. Gas prices are almost $10 a gallon. It seems like they're going to be $10 a gallon. So you want to make sure that these people know that they're going to have money and they don't have to become the next budget master to budget their paycheck to work out all their expenses. So definitely change up some of the benefits, change up some of the privileges and the things that you have going on at your facility to make that happen, and put that in your job description. Focus on the type of personality you need for the type of customer you need to serve. Nothing else, nothing more. All the other stuff can be trained. It's not like they're going to walk in off the street and say, hey, I need absolutely no training. If I was to work the front desk, I would need training because there's some systems that I haven't used in forever. And I just need a refresher course on how to use that system again. So go at it in a different direction. Get them in the door before you can close them on the task. So that's where we're at with the job market. If you want to get where you need to be when it comes to staffing, don't make the job seem like it's impossible. Now, make sure you go to our website, grab our new book called The Hotel Revenue Bible. Everything you need to know about how to get your hotel more money. Hotel Revenue Bible. Go check it out on our website, and you know what we are here to do. We're here to make your revenues rise up once again.